Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Today we are going to do a bottle art with simple materials available at home. These are the materials that you need to do this simple bottle work. Even beginners can do this. Take the DVD and immerse it in hot water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out, wipe it with a cloth, and then separate the inside portion with a knife like this. Only if you insert the DVD in hot water, it will get separated easily like this. Once the DVD is separated, you have to cut it into the desired size and shape. Keep it aside. Now take two tissue papers and cut it with the scissors into small pieces. Now take some Fevicol in a small plate and using a flat brush apply the Fevicol over the glass bottle which is cleaned and kept ready for painting. You can add 1 or 2 drops of water into the Fevicol mix to make it into a spreadable consistency. Start applying the Fevicol mix over the bottle neck area liberally and stick the tissue paper pieces over it without leaving any space in between. In this way, we have completed the whole bottle. Now we have to allow it to dry for a while and then give a second coat of Fevicol over the tissue paper that we have stuck into the bottle like this. We are going to stick the DVD pieces we have cut and kept already over the bottle. We have to apply Fevicol in a small area and soon after that we have to stick the CD pieces. Soon after applying the CD pieces, we have to sprinkle the glitter over the area wherein there is no CD pieces. That is, the whole area in between the CD pieces has to be covered with the gold glitters. In the middle portion, after sticking the CD pieces, I'm going to sprinkle with silver glitters. You can choose any color of glitters you like as per the availability. You can use gold or silver, pink, orange, red, green, or anything of your choice as per your creativity. Towards the lower portion, I am mixing gold and silver glitters together and then applying. Sprinkle it lightly, covering the whole lower portion. Likewise, we have covered the whole bottle with the glitters and our bottle art is ready. Allow it to air dry for about 4 to 5 hours. Our DIY bottle art is ready. You can keep it as a flower vase or you can keep it as a living room decor. Hope you all will try this simple and beautiful bottle art at home. Thanks for watching.